Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I'm going to be doing another video. This is going to be for my bathroom project for my bathroom number one. I have two bathrooms, but for bathroom number one. So here we have the Larktide hair dryer holder, wall-mounted blow dryer holder for the bathroom. So I purchased this on Walmart for $23.99. Actually, it's a pretty good price. I'm looking for something because I'm remodeling my first bathroom, and I wanted to find something that would hold the whole hair blower, sorry, and then the curling iron, some other stuff, and I found it. This one's perfect. Now it's not plastic; it's kind of like die-cast metal, but it's very durable. And then pretty much, basically, this is the unboxing. There's no manual. It's kind of self-explanatory. Now here's the deal with this. If anybody's interested and they're looking for this, this is not a very cheap model. This is actually pretty good and it's durable. So my suggestion is that if you're going to get something for your wife, your girlfriend, or your fiance, and you want to get some serious points and you want to clean up the bathroom, organize it, or remodel it, this is the deal. Okay, and I'm going to explain why. So most of the stuff that you're going to find that you want to organize, okay, they're plastic, and most of them are, they want you to adhesive to the wall. I know that a lot of you can't do it because you're either renting a house. Since I own my own house, I can do anything I want. So with this, it's going to be wall mounted. Now, when you unbox it, there's no manual. They're going to give you a bunch of junk over there right on the side you see. They're going to give you this sort of like glue, adhesive. There's the stickers right over there. There's that thing, that plastic junk that you can put over there to put against the wall. I'm going to tell you, with this heavy thing, plus when you put the hair dryer on and the curling iron in there, plus some other stuff, the weight's going to accumulate and it's going to come crashing down. There is absolutely no way that this thing is going to work. Now, the only way is that you're going to have to wall mount it. There's only going to be three things that you're going to need. First of all, they're going to give you a package with 2 screws. Second of all, they're going to give you this back metal plate. This back metal plate is the first thing that you're going to put in. Now, what I would do is I would very carefully, first of all, do this. You're going to have to find the 2 screws, the one over here and the one to the far right. These 2 screws right here is what's going to go, back here. Okay? So, and it does work. I did a test run before I'm going to actually mount it to the bathroom wall. Now, like I said before, just forget about adhesing it because it ain't going to work. With the weight, and if you ever get this, you're going to see it with the weight, that adhesive on the back is not going to work. And I don't care if they give you this glue, whatever you want to call it, sealant fix. You know what? It's actually probably like model glue. Forget it. Okay? So if you're looking for something really nice, really heavy and durable, something that's going to really stick to the wall, you're going to have to wall mount it. You have absolutely no choice. And honestly, if you go to any of these places and you buy anything like this and you're going to want to any kind of different models, you know what? With the weight that you're putting onto these things, you know, with the blower and the rest of the stuff, it's going to come crashing down. There's no way that adhesives are ever going to work. It may last for a little while, but it may just dry out and then boom, it's going to fall down. So you're going to have no choice but to drill. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I have 2 bathrooms. The first bathroom that I'm remodeling, I'm going to put this in. And then when I start working on my second bathroom, I'm going to get another one of these. Okay? So like I said before, if you want to get some serious points with your wife or your girlfriend, and she's moved in with you, and you know, she's going to say, wow, she has her own bathroom. It's all organized. She has a place for her hair blower, her makeup, and everything like that. Dude, you got it made. And if you've been in the doghouse, it'll get you right out of it. All right? So, hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel and playlist for my bathroom project, bathroom number 1, and for some other stuff going on. I really appreciate it. Now, this is the unboxing. As soon as I get it mounted up, I'll go ahead and I will show you what it looks like, okay? You guys have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.